Basically, it is used for monitoring whatever SMTP server you build. Inside this, you can monitor PowerMTA from here. There are many tools to check how many emails are sent in and out, how many errors occur, etc. It's a virtual MTA. For as many IPs as you add, it will show how many emails have been received from each IP, how many had connection errors, how many domains are inside, how many you've added, and their status as well. Look at the total. Look here at the session, which means in and out. From here, you'll get to know exactly how many of these emails you've received and what happens when. Here are these friends and out. Right now they are only sleeping, so they stay inside. Here you can set the status and all the other things. It shows connections, domain names, and many more things which you can monitor from here. So, how to enable this? If you've used PowerMTA earlier, I've given you 2 videos. Keep making the video. Here is a complete video of installation of IP rotation and before that, PowerMTA. I have made 5 videos. Testing is done, how to install PowerMTA, so make sure you watch all of those videos as well, okay? I have already installed PowerMTA on the VPS. I will tell you how you can do it because I have uploaded an old video of the installation. So right now I have installed PowerMTA on a temporary basis. This is its IP. I have attached this domain to it, so we will enable it on it. And if you want to buy DPS etc. from Contabo etc., then there is a link for it in the description settings. You can go there and buy it because my affiliate link is there, okay? So now I am logged in here, so you simply have to run only one command. Before that, I will show you in the URL bar. You have to copy it and the port which will be there in your config file here. I will reconnect it. And after that, there is the config file of your PowerMTA. See here, an access is given HTTP port 1983, okay? I will run this for you by entering it in the URL bar and after applying this command, I will run it here, okay? The same port is given here, okay? So see, right now it is not responding at all, even in private tab. I will open it and show it to you. See here, it is only. People are experiencing delays. Now after running this command here, when it gets enabled, then your PMC PowerMTA Management Console will remain here. Look, it cannot rest, okay? So now I will copy this command and apply it here, okay? So what else has happened here? Restarting. I will just do this. It is reloaded, okay? So now our PowerMTA Management Console will open here. Even after enabling the PowerMTA Management Console here, no response is coming. The reason for this is that this port here keeps getting disabled. It does not open. It happens in some servers, not in others. For that, you will have to run a command, iptables. I will give you this in the description. Like if you want to enable any command here, if you want to enable any port, then you can enable it by putting the port here, okay? I will copy it. And go here and do it, paste it, and hit enter, okay? So this port has been enabled now, 1983, whatever port number it is, that port is enabled now. And after this you can access it now. I will go here on advanced and proceed to, okay? So now our PowerMTA Management Console will open. So you have to do two commands. One is to enable PowerMTA management from this. The second command is the port here is port number. To enable it, you will have to run this command. I will give you both the commands below, so you can use it and enable it from here. You can enable it, then whatever your in and out is, whatever error comes, you will see it here, and because there are so many mails inside, you will see them all here. And here all the traffic, inbound and outbound, will be here. It is PowerMTA, which means you are using 10 IPs one at a time. So here it will tell you how many errors have come from which IP, how many have been sent from which IP. You will get all this information here. So okay, after this I have already told you about the installation of PowerMTA. So friend, subscribe to the YouTube channel because I have seen that almost people do not subscribe. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel because many more videos are going to come related to this, related to email marketing, WordPress, etc. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.